If you want to take your video from this to this, it's all about how you set up your lights. But if you wear glasses to film, then a standard lighting setup might cause you all kinds of grief with reflections. In this video, we're going to look at how to adapt our usual lighting setup to eliminate reflections in your glasses. I have my lovely assistant Taylor here to help me demonstrate in real time how we can position our lights to achieve this. Let's get into it. Usually, I would position my lights as close to the camera as possible to avoid nose shadows and create a nice even look across the face. But when Taylor puts her glasses on, we get this result. You can fix this by moving the lights off to the side and raising them up like this so the reflection is being cast at a downward diagonal angle instead of straight on. There's still going to be reflection if you look at her from a different angle, but the camera can't see it anymore. For some added style, I'm going to add a backlight using this small LED. And that's our first look, ready to film. If you're working with a ring light, try this. Normally, you would position your camera to shoot straight through the middle of your ring light, but that's not going to work for us. You can fix this by moving your ring light off to one side, raising it up and angling it down slightly as we did with the other LEDs. Depending on the shape and the reflection level of your glasses, you may not be able to eliminate reflection entirely as your head moves around when you talk. But as long as people can see your eyes when you look straight at the camera, your shot is good to go. There are links to all of the equipment we used in this video in the description below, as well as another tutorial on how to create a basic 3-point lighting setup, which is your foundation for shooting any piece to camera or interview. I hope this helps you with your next lighting setup. Make sure you hit subscribe for more video tips and techniques and leave your questions in the comments below so I can answer them for you. Check out these videos for more ideas and I'll see you next time.